In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a calculator to Squarespace. Whether you're running an online store, a personal blog, or a portfolio site, adding a calculator can enhance user experience and offer more interactivity. So let's dive in and see how you can do this with ease. First, you'll need to find a calculator you'd like to use. For this tutorial, we'll use a tool from Inch Calculator, which offers a variety of calculators from unit conversions to construction math. Head over to the Inch Calculator website and browse through their selection to pick the calculator that best suits your needs. Once you've found the perfect one, look for an option to embed the calculator. Usually this is straightforward. Just locate the embed code, which is typically a snippet of HTML. Copy the embed code provided. This code will allow you to display the calculator on your site. Now, let's move over to your Squarespace site, log into your Squarespace account, and navigate to the page or section where you want the calculator to appear. This might be on a specific product page, a blog post, or even on your home page. Once you've decided on the location, it's time to add the calculator. Squarespace makes it relatively easy to incorporate custom code, which is perfect for our needs. Enter the page editor by clicking on the section you want to modify. Here, you'll be able to add different types of content blocks. Look for the option to add a new block. Squarespace offers a variety of blocks to choose from, including text, image, video, and more. For our purpose, you'll want to choose the code block. This is where you'll paste the embed code you copied earlier from Inch Calculator. Simply click on the code block option and a new panel will appear where you can enter your custom code. Go ahead and paste the embed code into the code block. Once pasted, you should see a preview of the calculator right within the editor. This preview helps you ensure that the calculator appears as expected and is functioning correctly. If it doesn't look right, double check the code you pasted to make sure there are no errors or extra spaces. After verifying that everything looks good, save your changes. Depending on your Squarespace plan, you might need to publish the page to see the changes live on your site. Once published, visit your site and navigate to the page where you added the calculator. Check that it's working as intended and offers the functionality you want your visitors to have. And that's it. You've successfully added a calculator to your Squarespace site. This is a fantastic way to provide value to your visitors, whether they need to calculate measurements for a DIY project or manage their budget. Remember, while this tutorial used Inch Calculator, you can use similar steps to add any other embeddable calculator you find useful. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring other ways to enhance your Squarespace site with interactive tools and features. Thanks for watching and happy creating.